Understanding, dislike, and hate. A comparison. Hello everyone and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into the world of expressing dislikes. More specifically, we will explore the difference between two very important words, dislike and hate. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how these words vary, especially in terms of intensity. Before we start comparing, let's define these two words. Dislike is a verb that we use to express that we don't like something. It's milder than hate. For example, you might say, I dislike rainy days. This means that you would prefer if it did not rain, but it's not a very strong feeling. Hate, on the other hand, is a strong word. It's used to express a very strong aversion or intense dislike towards something. If you say, I hate rainy days, it indicates that you really don't like when it rains. The feeling is much stronger than simply disliking it. Now that we have our definitions clear, let's focus on the intensity of these words. As we've touched upon earlier, the main difference between dislike and hate is the degree of aversion they express. If you dislike something, it suggests that you would rather avoid it if you can. It's not enjoyable, but it's also not the end of the world. If you hate something, it is much stronger. It implies that the thing you hate brings you significant discomfort or distress. It's something you really want to avoid if at all possible. Let's put these words into context with some examples. I dislike broccoli implies that you would prefer not to eat broccoli, but you might still eat it if there's nothing else. I hate broccoli is much stronger. It suggests that you can't stand broccoli and will avoid eating it whenever possible. Remember, context is key when using these words. The word hate might be too strong in certain situations and could potentially offend people. On the other hand, dislike is milder and generally safer to use. There we have it, a quick comparison between dislike and hate. Remember, the key differences in their intensity. Dislike is milder and hate expresses a strong aversion. Thank you for joining us today in our journey to learn more about expressing dislikes in English. We hope you found this video helpful and we look forward to seeing you in our next video where we'll continue our adventure in English language learning. Happy studying!